first thing you need to do if you're wrongfully charged with the DUI in Marin County or any county in the San Francisco Bay Area or in California is to hire the best lawyer you can to fight the case. You can't just go walking into court and saying, hey, the cops lied or this didn't happen or whatever. Just defending yourself is not a good idea, and the judge will tell you to go get a lawyer. So the best thing you can do is find an experienced, an aggressive, a lawyer who knows how to fight a case, a lawyer who knows how to get results, what to look at, what is needed to win the case. And then the questions come up as to, you know, why is this case wrongfully charged? Why were you wrongfully arrested? Was it because no one saw you driving? You know, there's two elements in a DUI case: driving and being at or over the legal limit of 0.08, or driving and being impaired by alcohol or drugs or the combined influence of alcohol and drugs. And the best DUI lawyer you can find in Marin County is your best chance to make this go away. Any DUI is a complex case, some more than others, but knowing how to win a case, not having to reinvent the wheel, not having to, you know, a young lawyer ask their boss or supervisor or friend, what do I do in Marin County to fight this case? I see that happen all the time. I see young lawyers come into Marin County, into the courtroom and not understand the procedures. And I sit there and I listen to them, and sometimes I'll talk to them after court if we're in the hallway and explain things to them. But if you hire, you know, it's like hiring a surgeon. You're going to hire an experienced surgeon who knows what they're doing so that you have the best chance of getting the best result. Same thing with the DUI lawyer. You find a drunk driving lawyer who knows what they're doing in Marin County, who can know how to point out to the prosecution and what evidence is needed to make the case go away. That can have something to do with the testing that was done. It can have something to do with the way that the cops dealt with this case. We can get video. We can get machine records from different types of breath devices that are used in this, you know, to see the calibration, the accuracy. We can look at the maintenance records of these machines. Video can be of the driving. It can be of the officer's contact with you. It can be of admonishments that they're supposed to read you, which legally they're required to give you to properly follow procedures to make this a legal arrest. Sometimes a blood test is not done properly, or there are issues with the way that the phlebotomist went about their job. And I'm not going to get into a lot of details here, but I can tell you that we have hearings sometimes to show that the blood draw was not done in a medically approved manner. And that can make one of these cases go away. Sometimes the driving, they did not have proper cause to pull you over and do a DUI investigation because they pulled you over just kind of on a hunch. And maybe they saw you drive onto a line once or twice and they said, that's enough. There's case law that we can bring up and put in front of a judge and say, Judge, this case law is right on point. This person should not have been pulled over and no investigation should have happened. If you're wrongfully charged, the best DUI lawyer in Marin County that you can get will give you the best chance of making the case go away. And if we can't do that, worst case, we're going to get you the best result possible. So reach out. We do a free consultation in this office. I'm happy to talk to anyone in Marin County or with the Marin County case where they've been charged with the DUI, whether they think they should not have been charged, whether they think the charges were unfair or are wrong or overcharged or whatever. I'm happy to talk to you about it. I don't charge anything to do that and give you a free evaluation of your case. And the other thing is we got to deal with DMV, and I'm not going to get into it in this response, but that's another place where you need a very experienced DUI lawyer who knows how to make a case with the DMV where they're trying to take away your driver's license go away. Anyway, feel free to reach out, email, call, text. We respond very quickly, and we'd love to go over your case with you and see how we can help.